I'm Jenny Valverde, and I'm here to walk you through my README generator. Let's make this as short as possible. I want to walk you through my JavaScript, and then we'll do a little demo through the terminal. So here we have our index.js. You can see our external packages, what's required, inquire, as well as fs, and then our internal modules that are linked to our generate markdown JavaScript. Next, you will see our questions array. Everything is pretty standard here. We have our general inputs for the questions, as well as a list question at the very bottom for the license. So they can choose which license. There are quite a bit of options here. Next, you are going to see your function to write the README file. Here we have a little console log that will tell you that you have successfully generated your README file. Our function to initialize the app to inquire prompts a question, then a function to pull the data, right? Next, we are going to head over to our generate markdown JavaScript. Here you're going to see our markdown for the README generator, but first I have a few functions written out specifically for the license badges. I have one function specifically for the badge that is chosen, so a render license badge function. And then we have another function for the rendered license link for whatever license that is chosen. And then we have a function for rendering the license into the section of the actual README. And then finally we come to our generated markdown for the README. And we have our data title. We have our rendered section for the badges, so that way the badge shows up on the top of our README. We have our description, table of contents, installation, usage, and then all of the plug-in answers from the previous JavaScript, and then our export. So let's do a little preview. Open up my terminal here. Slow. Make sure we're in the right spot. We are. Okay, node. All right, the computer's being a little slow today, so let's see, we'll call it README generator. Let's make a little description. I have something already written out, so I'm just gonna copy and paste it in here. Get a little faster. Okay, what does the user need to install? Fire FS. Okay. How is the app used? Run in the terminal. I have another written out contribution, just so I have it available in my README. I want to make sure I copy and paste. Okay. And then index.js. Okay, and we're going to choose a random license for the sake of this example. Perfect. So here we have a success, console logged. Your README file has been generated. It's good news. You can see here the generator and all of the little sections that were created in this section, the markdown, right? All of our answers are here. See. And then if we do a little preview, it's down a little bit. Okay, we have our license populated on the top. the description, our table of contents that are linked up, and then all of our answers here. Looks nice and professional. Yeah. So that is my README generator.